Hey y'all, welcome to Move Me to Texas. I'm Riley Friesen, realtor with Independent Realty. In this video, I'll be showing you one of my favorite places, which happens to be my hometown, Cleburne, Texas. Today, we're gonna dive into what makes this town a charming place to call home. Follow me as we tour two unique properties. One, a beautifully kept historical home, and an adorable new build. Our first stop is this elegant historical home built in 1939. This house, 801 Prairie, has held the southern charm that you see in old movies, with its original hardwood floors and unique designs. Like these plaques from the Save Old Cleburne Candle Walk Tour, which is held the first Saturday of every December. This particular house I'm showing you has been featured twice, just one of the great examples of the character and history you can find in Cleburne's old historic neighborhood. All right, y'all, come on in. Just imagine opening Christmas gifts on those cold 91-degree Christmas days here in Texas. Now, I want to show you the kitchen. This kitchen has updated granite countertops, a double convection oven, and tons of storage. One of the standout features of this home is its distinct character and the stories it tells. They don't make homes like this anymore. A house like this in Dallas would easily be listed in the $600,000 to $800,000 range. While here in Cleburne, we have this beauty available for $435,000. You get a lot of value and space for your money down here. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths on almost a full half-acre corner lot. And let me tell you from personal experience of living just 2 blocks down the street, trick-or-treating is a dream in October. All right, y'all, don't laugh at me, but I'm taking you to the train station and I'm gonna tell you why. Let's go. So I brought you to the train station because Cleburne has a very rich history when it comes to railroad and commerce. So this was originally the highlight of the area when the Santa Fe Railroad thundered into town. As you can see, this train station's a little quieter than it was then. If you wanna go to Dallas or Fort Worth, there's really only 2 ways you can get there. You can drive, or you have the opportunity to take the train. Now, if you value time with family like I do, I can take my kids for a pretty reasonable price up to Fort Worth, maybe to the zoo or one of the museums on the train and come back the same day. Welcome to Plaza Theater, one of Cleburne's best attractions in my opinion. We have 2 live action theaters here in Cleburne, and Plaza is just one of them. The unique thing about Plaza is that it's actually in the round, which you might not understand. Okay, so no matter where you sit in this theater, you're gonna enjoy the experience and actually feel like you're part of the cast. So one of the coolest parts about this theater specifically is all the actors are local. They come in from Dallas, Fort Worth, and surrounding areas. So you might see your dentist here dancing in the middle with some silly costume. It's the best. On top of that, one of our high school students here in Cleburne just received one of the most prestigious awards in New York, and he plays right here. And if I'm honest, he's one of the best singers I've ever heard. So what they're currently doing right now is Pride and Prejudice. And unfortunately, when you're seeing this video, they only have 1 weekend left, so you might want to log on now and get your tickets. But they're constantly putting out more productions. For example, next will be The Pirates of Penzance, followed by Footloose, the musical, Murder on the Orient Express, and their winter special this year is A Christmas Carol. You don't want to miss out. Now follow me while we go to a new build just a few minutes down the road. Oh, there you are. So welcome to this adorable new build. It's a Sandlin home, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a flex space. Come on in and take a look. As you can see in this kitchen, you have modern amenities. You have a huge island with granite countertops, gas stove, and plenty of cabinets. What you will find here is an open concept floor plan, full house plumbed with natural gas, including the fireplace. Large laundry, standard size 2-car garage, oversized flex room that could be used for dining, office, or playroom. A covered back porch with low maintenance yard in the front and the back. Thanks so much for following along with me today. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you want more information about moving to Texas or moving to Cleburne specifically, hit the link below and I'll send you a free buyer's guide. Thanks for your time and see you next week. Today we're going to dive into what makes this fantastic town. What are the words? Today we're going to dive into what makes this fantastic town a charming place to call home. That was wrong still. Do I keep my hand here?
Yeah.
You've never seen some of the videos that I've done where I dressed up like the Grinch and was like, so as a parent, I have kids. Or you can take the train. And if you value time with my kids like I do, I hope you don't value time with my kids, that's weird.